Alright guys, I have a link in the description. Download the link and you have a file. Change this to PS3 update DAT instead of update, and create a folder. Just right click and name that PS3. Inside that folder, create another folder and name that update. Alright, drag that file in there and pull up my flash drive. Just verify that it's in there. Pull up the flash drive and copy the whole thing on the flash drive. Alright, off to the PS3 when that finish. Head to the PS3 and go to system settings and show you that I'm on 450. Go to update, choose the USB, and there is your custom firmware. And just agree to the agreements. Accept. Just go ahead and install. I did some reading in on this Rogero firmware. They said Sony is it's hard for Sony to detect it. That is custom firmware, and it's like less of a band, but I don't believe that. But that's what it says. Let it reboot. And guys, this video is to show you that it's safe to install. Even though Rogero, when he made it, he only tested 5 minutes of it and went to sleep, so he didn't have any testers. I really made a video just to show everybody that it's safe to install the new Rogero 4.50. Make sure my games work. Well, change, because I was hearing that this update, some of the games wouldn't. It said something about BD error, which it stands for Blu-ray drive error, and I didn't get it, so it's legit. And you will need a Rogero, not Rogero, but you will need a Multiman 4.50. I also have a video for that. I have it in the description. Everything seems to be fine. And then it changed the game disc, so everything's look good, y'all. Peace.